Greetings to you all. Thanks for watching my channel KKDays. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and also a notification for any new videos I post. Today I'm going to be showing you some Mac shortcuts. I know sometimes using a computer it can get tiring and just annoying, trying to look for how to do some certain functions. So yeah, we're just going to get right into it. So the first shortcut is to get an entire screenshot is Shift Command 3. So you can see right there I got the entire screenshot. So you get the entire screen and it will post it there. It will go on the clipboard and post it on the screen. The next shortcut is Shift Command 4. With this one you can select the area you want to shortcut. So maybe I just want this small mountain on the screen, and you can see it's pasted there. So you can just select a portion of the screen. The next shortcut is to preview an app. Is in the preview app, you can mark it up. So I've opened here the preview app. You just open the preview app. So here you just select the markup options up here, and you can start marking up your document or your PDF file, your pictures. So here you can see there's a sketch, so I can start sketching on my document, and you can edit it and you can add text. Unfortunately, this you cannot edit the actual content on the document, but you can mark it up, maybe in case you want to share with others or something. So I'll just close that. The next shortcut is to cut a selected item and copy to clipboard. To do that, you just press Command X. So let's say I have a open. So you press Command X. So now it's copied on the clipboard. You go to the text editor. And you can paste that there. So any selected item can be cut and pasted. The fifth shortcut is to copy to a clipboard. So you can have this, you press Command+C, so that copies. Then I can go to text editor, and then so yeah, that's copying, and I can press Command+V, and that will paste to the wherever you want to paste it to. So the seventh shortcut is to undo a previous command. So you just press Command+Z and it will undo a previous command. So let's say in the text, so let's say I paste with Command+V, then I press Command+Z to undo that. Then to redo that step, I press Command+Shift+Z. It will redo it again. So the ninth shortcut is Command+A, and that's to select all items. So I can press Command+A and that will select. You see all this is selected. So then you can copy and paste it anywhere. So that's Command+A to find items. So you can search for an item. or you can look for anything there with the find window. That's Command F. So the 11th shortcut is Command G. So from the previous, let's say I'm finding the letter and, so you can see all these. So I press Command G to find the next occurrence, so you can see it's moving, of the letter and. The next shortcut is Command+Shift+G to find the previous occurrence. So Command+Shift+G. So you see it's going back to find the previous occurrence. The 13th shortcut is Command+H. Command+H. That will hide the windows of the front app. So you can see that that was hidden. Command+H. And it hides it down here. Then the 14th shortcut is Command+Shift+H. Command+Shift+H. That will bring back up the app that you are using. So you'll view the front app, but you'll hide all the other apps. The 15th shortcut is Command+M. Is to minimize the front window to the dock. The 16th shortcut is Command+Option+M. Command+Option+M. That's to minimize all windows of a front app. So if I have all these windows open, so Command+Option+M is the 16th shortcut to minimize the all the windows of the front app. The 17th shortcut is Command+N. Command+N, N for nice. That will open a new document. Command+N. The 18th shortcut is Command+O. Command+O. That's to open the selected item or open a dialog to select a file to open. So you can see it open the dialog box to open, so I can open the file. Command+O. The 19th shortcut is Command+P. That's for printing. If you want a shortcut to print, you don't have to go to the menu. It's Command+P. The 20th shortcut is Command+S. That's to save a document. So you can see it's opened the dialog for me to save. Command+S. So yeah, those are a few shortcuts. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be giving more shortcuts later. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you.